Good morning. This is Karthik from Nice Neotech Medical System. Today we are going to see about high flow oxygen therapy, brand Neotech and model NICE 5060S. What is high flow oxygen therapy? High flow oxygen therapy is a form of respiratory support used in the hospital where oxygen, often in conjunction with compressed air and humidification, is delivered to the patient at a rate of high flow up to 60 lpm. Where it is used? It is used in the ICU wards to wash out of waste gases including CO2 and to increase the tidal volume and the decreased respiratory rate, and the high flow oxygen therapy delivers excess volume of air that allows displacement of excess CO2 with excess O2. Air oxygen blender with flow meter. It needs of air and oxygen input source pressure of 30 to 75 psi either from centralized slug pipe / air compressor or oxygen cylinder. The main function of a blender is for proper mixing of air and oxygen, and we can vary the oxygen concentration level from 21 to 100% by using a pointer knob. A 90 lpm flow meter is attached to the blender by which we can adjust the flow needed to the patient. Also, flow rate up to 120 lpm can also be used. Servo controlled humidifier. The blended gas with the required flow rate needs to be heated with the help of servo controlled humidifier. Heater wire adapter and temperature probe is provided to produce heat inside and the temperature detection in the circuit. Humidifier has two modes of operation. One is invasive mode, temperature ranging from 35 to 40, and another is non-invasive mode, temperature ranging from 31 to 36. As it is a servo control, it senses the temperature at patient end and heater cuts automatically. If any fault found, it gives alarm like heater wire fail, temperature profile, temperature high and low, and air water alarm. Heater wire breathing circuit and nasal cannula. The output of heater blender glass flows into the heater circuit from the humidifier, and the other end is connected to the nasal cannula. Breathing circuit is connected to a heater wire adapter at the end in order to maintain the heat throughout the circuit with the help of a heating coil inside it. Temperature probe also connected to detect temperature at chamber and patient end of the circuit. Now we see the operation of high flow oxygen therapy. The air and oxygen input source enters inside the blender where it gets blends or mixes with one another to set the concentration level of FiO2 from 21 to 100%. Now the blended gas enters the flow meter where we can set our required flow rate for the patient, that is up to 0 to 90 lpm. Now, the output from the flow meter goes into the humidifier with the help of pressure relief valve, which limits pressure up to 50 cm H2O. In the humidifier, the gas gets heated, and now the heated blended gas goes to the patient with the help of breathing circuit and cannula. Based on the patient condition, doctor can adjust these three things. Oxygen concentration FiO2 level from 21 to 100%, flow rate from 0 to 90 lpm, mixed gas temperature at humidifier for invasive mode from temperature 36 to 40, and for non-invasive mode temperature from 31 to 36. Now we see how to connect cannula to the patient. The head size can be adjusted